Today we're going to have a look at our retrofit of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into this 2015 Audi Q5. You'll notice we have the factory nav screen up. To switch to CarPlay, we push and hold the original nav button. That then takes us into the main menu. In the main menu we have Android Auto, Apple mirroring, CarPlay, Android mirroring, etc. So in this demonstration we're going to have a bit of a closer look at Apple CarPlay. So I'll just select that, which then loads the CarPlay features. So it's taken us into nav. Using the home button on the bottom left, it'll take us back to the main menu. Here we see the different options available. These options are ever expanding as Apple brings out new features that integrate in with CarPlay. Good news is, as your phone updates, the system will automatically update in the background and the new apps will just appear as you install them on your phone. Give you a quick demonstration of how we enter in an address.
Navigate to Bunnings.
So when we're trying to enter in a destination that has multiple options, you see that it actually gives you the ability to choose from these options rather than just selecting one for you. The voice control functionality can also be operated from the steering wheel. My name's Jared Shelley from Auto Fidelity. Thanks for watching.